What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre, and today I'm going to show you guys the $100 method that you can use to do affiliate marketing. So it doesn't matter if it's ClickBank, JVZoo, or anything. I'm going to show you guys how you can crush it, especially in 2019. So make sure you watch this video to the end. And if this your first time to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification, give this video some love, and let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. So I'm gonna dive into things right away and share with you guys how you can make $100 a day with affiliate marketing, and you guys can crush it. So I'm gonna use some examples of different websites. I'm also going to talk about the tools that you're going to be needing in order for you to crush it. I'm also going to share with you some different methods that you can use to drive traffic to that offer. Because believe it or not, if you don't know how to drive traffic to any business, whether it's an online business or an offline business, you're not going to make any money, period. No people, no business equals no money. That's as simple as how it is, right? So how to crush it and make $100 per day, right, with any affiliate marketing program. The very first thing, for some of you, you can sign up for JVZoo, you can sign up for ClickBank. So I'm gonna hop on over to ClickBank, right? There's so many different platforms that you can use in affiliate networks that you can start off with, right? And with ClickBank, they have products such as, like, as you can see, there's weight loss. I'm gonna click to the marketplace, right? And some of you probably know about ClickBank already. There's like all the different methods here and all the different categories that you can choose from. Now, I'm gonna jump into e-business and e-marketing, right? So if I wanna find a product that is crushing it, and I'm looking for something that will pay me anywhere from $100 to even $1,000 per day, right? Or per sale. You can click on where you can come over here. You could do it on the left-hand side, or you can go on where it says advanced settings, right? So you want to click on advanced settings and you put like average sale, right? You want to come down here, you click average sale, and you want to put anything over, let's say 200. Scroll down here, you click search. Once you click search, you will see this pop up, right? So on here, where it shows like the initial sale, it's like 391, meaning they have like, would be like the front and this would be the back, right? Vice versa. So for the initial sale, it's like 127.50 on this one, right? 744.35 on that one, right? And then you can look at the gravity and everything. So here's the thing. Many people and most people are, so this is Super Affiliate System. This is John Christiani, right? So let's click on here and just take a look at it, right? So you can get like the hop link here, but let's just go back over here, click on this, and this is what the sign up form look like. So you can even go through the funnel itself, sign up, check out that free webinar as well. Nothing is wrong with that, just to see what it is that you're promoting, right? So that is a webinar that anybody can get on to sign up for it. And of course, if they do make a purchase, then, hey, you get a commission. Now, if you're going to promote this, right, remember there are so many different methods, and people always ask, what is the best traffic method, right? So what I'm going to do, what I decide to do is I'm going to give you guys a rundown, give you the places that have traffic source, right? So number one, you have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have YouTube, you have all that kind of stuff. But I know most of you probably like, well, yeah, I know there's Facebook and stuff, but how do I do it, right? So here's the thing. I'm going to go onto my Facebook account, right? So let me just hop on over to my Facebook account, right? And by the way, this is my Facebook account. It's coming up, and I'm going to share with you what I do, right? And this is if you want to use this for free method. Now, there's many people, and of course, if you go through my timeline, you're going to see all affiliate marketing, people making money. That's the only thing I really see on my timeline. I don't know about you, but I surround myself with people who are winning, and that's what you got to do. Surround the people who's going to help you grow, and not people who's going to pull you down. So I would go into these make money online groups, right? Now, some people say, well, these groups, there's so many people in there. There's not many ways that we're going to crush it. And how am I going to be making $100 a day, using these methods for affiliate marketing? And here's the thing, right? So let me backtrack to if I was new, if I was brand new, don't have a clue about exactly what I was doing, right? I would come into this group and I would start to make friends, right? Now, this do require time, it does require effort, and you just gotta come in here, right? Or you could just go in here and immediately you can start to promote yourself. Now, if I was brand new, I would get a picture, post a picture, and I would write something like, hey guys, my name is Andre. I'm from XYZ, and I just want to know, I want to connect with some people who is online and people who want to learn more about marketing. Let me know in the comments where you guys from. I just want to make some friends, right? There's going to be people who's going to comment, right? And you slowly build your way, right? There's lots of people who's commenting here about how. All these people want to know. This is Bitcoin, so I don't even want to mess with that, right? But let's say here, people want to find ways how to make money. There's all these people in here, right? So many different people want to know. For me, if you want to start and create a brand new Facebook account, I would just start requesting these people who's looking for info, right? Because they have potential of becoming a customer. Now, am I going to sell them right away? No, I'm not. Right? I'm not going to like sell them or, right? Some will accept it, some won't. It's just normal, just to connect with new people and all that kind of stuff, right? And if you don't want to do this method, well, hey, do some Facebook ads, do some Instagram ads, right? YouTube ads, not a problem. If you guys want to learn how to do Facebook, YouTube ads, check out the link in the description. You guys can learn more about how you can crush it in Facebook, Instagram, and all that kind of stuff, right? So here, what you're gonna do, you're just gonna come through here. This is what I did when I was a beginner. When I didn't know how to do any form of ads, I'm sharing with you guys, these are free methods. Now, some people will say, well, I don't know these people. Well, I didn't know them either, right? So in order for you to get what you want, you have to step outside of your comfort zone. Now, you don't have to do that if you don't want to, right? You can create a post itself, create a post and say, hey, I found a way how you guys can, earn a significant amount. If you guys would like more information, comment info. Look in here, right? Let me go back in here again. Look how many people in this group out of 102,000 people want information. Everybody's like info, right? Info. Everybody here is talking about info. So that's what you got to do. You got to come through here, right? And see what you could do, right? See what you could do. Go through here and connect with people. Post in the group. Don't be shy. So if I were you, I would click, grab my link, right? If you do not have money to create a capture page, squeeze page, and all that kind of stuff. So this is the free way. If you want to know how to create capture page and stuff, I created other videos that you can look at, right? So click on here, right? Get this link, or always tag the link, right? And this, I'm just going to look at this link just to make sure. Hang on one second. Because most people just send traffic directly to Let me see if it comes back to this page. If it does come back, oh, look at that. This is brilliant, right? So if you use this, guess what? Here's the big thing. This person is going to get your leads. You won't have access to this leads. And you don't want to do that. That's the biggest thing, biggest mistake I see people make. People come here and send traffic to this affiliate link or whatever affiliate link without creating a list. Well, yeah, in the beginning, if you don't have money, work your way on up. But as soon as you start making money, you want to invest into an autoresponder, right? You want to invest into a software. Get a software that can create something like this, your own capture page, so you can send them directly to this offer without you losing out on your potential customers or client, right? And then all you got to do is just remain consistent, keep crushing it. If you're going to use Instagram, use it. If it's Twitter, do the same, right? And put in the work, and I'm telling you, it will pay off because there's lots of different programs in here that you can promote, right? Without you have to spend a lot of expenses. Now, it probably be a little bit more work. I'm not going to say it's going to be easy. It's going to require work, but you can start off just by doing that. And then later on, invest and start growing your list, start growing your brand, and invest into your business and into yourself. All right. So that was a quick little video I wanted to shoot and share with you guys. So I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, and become a part of the family. And see you on the next video. All right. Bye for now. Talk to you soon. Peace.